This is Manni Chopra with Anna. Hello, Anna.
Hello, Ron.
We are on top of the roof at the Wokingham Bank site. The apartments, the two flats, flat 10 and flat 11, just underneath us, have already started. The partitioning and the dry lining has started. So a lot of progress been made in the last week. And I just wanted to show you what we're going to be doing here on top of the roof. So Anna, do you want to tell us a bit about what's going to go on here now that the main sort of timber structure is in place?
Yeah, so we have it's a massive flat roof. You can see a bit of doorway windows sticking out.
So here you can see this is the Mansard roof actually, and this is where all the slate's going to go, the slate tiles.
So on top of this flat roof, next week insulation is coming. Insulation is pre-cut.
So pre-cut installation from starting from there.
Cutting from right side to left side to create a slope.
Slope for the rainwater drainage.
Rainwater. Then on top of insulation, we have rubber and basically.
Yeah,
that's going to be the flat roof. Very simple.
I mean, there might be a slight issue with the flat roof for the insurance purposes, I think.
With our roof, there's not going to be any issue.
Because...
What? Say it again?
It's a 20-year warranty.
Yeah,
it's a
20-year warranty.
And because we are doing warm roof as they requested.
Oh, so I think that's probably why they request the warm roof. Because
yeah.
If you remember from when you go and get insurances on buy-to-lets and what have you, then people, they always ask about how much is your flat roof and all of that. Hopefully this warm roof and the fact that it's being done for the 20-year warranty, all of that will circumvent some of those issues that the standard sort of insurance people have, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But guys, as you can see, amazing. We just thought we had to take this, and also wanted to show you something else on the other side of the roof actually. So here, if you look, the brickwork is there. It's quite a long way away. It's about 10 meters down, I think. And that brick facade will come all the way here, right, Anna?
Yes, it's
the brick
all the way up.
All the way up, and then
cover, don't forget we have insulation, then it comes even up above insulation, creating like a overstand.
Yeah.
And then they're going to be rubber covering this and metal coping on top of the roof, and on top of the brick wall. So if you look at the old brick wall,
yeah. Oh, okay, something like that.
Yeah, you see it.
Ah, yeah. So this is the roof of the old, the bank, where the commercial bank is, the old part of the building. And this is the existing roof of that. So it's going to be something similar to this, basically.
It's the height, more or less the same.
Yeah.
So it's kind of basically the same. But
yeah.
On top of our brick wall, we're not having, it is a brick, but then we have a metal capping to protect from water.
So metal capping on top of this for the water, and then obviously the rainwater will drain as well.
If you see how they did before, so it was that your brick wall.
Yeah.
Then you have a special
ledge.
Yeah, it's like a very thin,
brick.
very thin brick, or it's not porcelain. It's a ceramic tiles.
Yeah.
Laid horizontally.
Yeah.
This is basically what's stopping water coming inside the cavity. And then the brick on top. This is a nice way
design.
to do it, but
we're doing it to more modern standards, I guess, the newest regulations.
You can even see, that nice metal detail, like
yeah.
The end of the wall,
yeah,
like a lily shape. It's nice.
And that is the existing roof on top of, I think, flat 5, I think. Flat 8.
That's a 1-bedroom flat.
Which is right above the actual commercial area which we're going to rent out. Then you have that flat, and then you got the roof of this flat 8. And there's going to be that Velux window which is going to serve the corridor of that apartment. But there's going to be some roof work, repair work going on in that old roof. And yeah, so you can see, guys, there's been a lot of progress on this roof flats, and a follow-up video will be coming through to show you the internal layouts for flat 10 and 11, which has now been done and in place. So guys, do like, follow and subscribe us, and do also come to our next Titans event, 13th of June. It's all about auctions. So if you're looking to buy a deal like this, trade a deal, sell off some lemons in the auctions, find out the best strategy that you can from the top experts. Check out our website, teamtitans.co.uk. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Benny.